Hi guys, welcome. This is Jerry. In this video, I'll show you all the cool features on this vehicle. This is the MG ZST. So MG ZST is the MG's offering for the small compact size SUV in New Zealand. This vehicle's starting price is from $27,990 drive away all the way to $34,990 for the top spec. If you're looking to purchase one in New Zealand, please make sure to contact me. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email address down below. I work for Ebbett MG, either Pukekohe or Ormston, Flatbush, East Auckland. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like the video down below. That would be really helpful for the channel to grow. I'll keep uploading more MG tutorial videos in the future. And if you have any other requests, please leave a comment down below as well. So let's get started. Alright, so first the cool feature is about the boot locking. So this is quite long, just bear with me, I'll show you the features. So first, when we lock the vehicle, as you can see, the wheel mirror automatically folds, and then you also notice this boot opening button, so that allows you to only unlock the boot. That will open the boot for your grocery shopping, but your doors remain locked at the same time. So while there is press and hold, there you can see the boot actually pops open, and then we can open the boot. And when we shut, as you can see, the wheel mirror is still closed, all your doors remain closed. When we shut, the vehicle gives you a 3 light. That means all your boot remains locked. So this is not the cool feature yet. Just hold on and press and hold the button again. Let's open this again. And just as say you accidentally drop your vehicle car key inside the boot, or you drop your, let's say your bag inside the vehicle because you have the key inside. I'm gonna leave it over there. I'll just show you. Drop the door, just like that. Did you hear the beeping? What that means is the vehicle basically not gonna lock your key into the vehicle, so you have the boot opened at all time, just in case when you lock the vehicle and all the doors remain locked and your key left inside, and then you can't get into the vehicle. Basically, that would be really helpful for in case you have this sort of emergency. I'm pretty sure no one will have to have this happen to them in the sort of very short time, but this has happened to me before when I have a very old car with keyless entry. I leave in the boot, manual tailgate, close that. It cost me about $150 for AA car out. So I hope this never happened to you, but in case that happens, this is a very cool feature to know. Now here, the second cool feature about this MG ZST in New Zealand, Australia. So as standard, you have this USB charging port over here. So you don't want to charge your phone over here, obviously. So this is used for your dash cam. So if you want to install a dash cam or third-party dash cam, stuff like that, you can easily mount over here. That means just very short distance, you can just plug into the USB cord and it will use as a dash cam. So instead, you don't have to go all the way from the side panel, all that things, go into here, you're using a USB. Unlike other cars, this is very easily accessible with your dash cam. This is a very cool feature. I really think all the manufacturers should do this. But yeah, only on the MG ZST currently for New Zealand. And the third feature, that's for the home screen. So you have this nice 10-inch display home screen. In case you do not want to play any music, or you're driving the vehicle at night, you do wish to switch it off, you can use this button to lock it, to close it off. That's pretty easy, so it doesn't show anything. Or in case you still want to check your time, stuff like that, you can also press and hold this button to get the vehicle in standby mode. So press and hold this button, home button over here. There we go, everything is switched off, no music, no nothing, no navigation, so only thing showing is your time and date over here. Otherwise, tap this button, that brings us back to the home screen and your music will start playing basically. So that's the cool feature about that. Also another thing, when you use aircon, you can press this button to adjust aircon screens and all that. To directly, you can have this notification over here. That means your aircon is actually switched on. That means this light is on. In case you do not wish to go into the screen, let's say you're in navigation, you do not wish to switch screen to switch it on and off, you can also press and hold this button. That allows you to actually quick switch on and quick switch off this particular aircon sort of system. So push and hold, just like that. That's switch off, no light over there, and push and hold, and let's switch back on. And in any situation, if you're in navigation or main menu, you can also press this button. That allows us to go back to the aircon screen, just like that. The next cool feature is about this wind mirror. So when you lock the vehicle, both side mirrors will automatically fold in, and when you unlock the vehicle, both side mirrors automatically opens up. That's pretty normal. You already know that, I'm pretty sure. On this lever, you can adjust the wind mirror adjustment, and then you can also manually fold in. Just so, let's say you have a small garage in front of you, you want to get in, but your wind mirror is sort of in the way, you can simply push this lever down to the bottom. So press it down just like this. There we go. Wind mirror is automatically folding. Your engine is still on, by the way. And then push this down again to open them up. Just like that. Your wind mirror is back in place. And the next feature is hidden in the sort of system menu. So when you drive on motorway or when you drive in the city, your volume, let's say your steering volume will stay on, let's say number 4 volume. You will notice actually while your speed goes up, your vehicle volume or system volume or music volume will also go up just by a tiny bit. So it follows your, let's say, road noise, stuff like that. But in case you do want to change that, I'll quickly show you. So in the setup, it's going to be on the audio over there. So that means you have this adaptive volume. So what that means is if you switch it off, if you're staying on number 4, your volume is always on number 4. But if you switch to adaptive volume, what that means is your vehicle, as your vehicle speed goes up, your volume actually start sort of slightly climbs up automatically, even if it's staying at 4. So you can hear your volume slightly better. This is a very cool feature. I personally really like it. It's automatically default is on, so you don't need to change anything. But in case someone actually doesn't touch it or something like that, you might want to switch it on. As the vehicle goes higher on speed, your road noise is going to go higher, and it's much easier with this function to be on, so you can so that you can actually listen to your music on highway. And the next is about the safety feature, technology, everything. So as we all know, the MG does come with completely safety features like lane departure warning, blind spot detection, pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, everything. And you will notice on the brochure there's another thing called traffic jam assist. So this is a thing a lot of people didn't know. So in case you do want to check my full review on the whole system, make sure you check in my YouTube channel. There's a particular full video going through the MG Pilot system. Otherwise, you go through this car setting, I'll show you the MG Pilot this time. So as we all know, you can use the cruise control, just bring it back. Now you can see the cruise control light comes on. That means you press set, go up and down to change your cruise control, all that. We all know that. So that means the vehicle automatically change your speed if the vehicle in front of you drives slower. And then you can also engage a travel assist or traffic jam assist. So how to do that is pull the lever back to the steering twice, a quick pull, just like this. Now you can see on the top display menu, we have another yellow light that shows the 3 vehicle signs. That means your traffic jam assist is on. So even if you don't have your lane departure or lane departure assist or lane keep assist on, and the vehicle will automatically steering for you as the road sign is clear in front of you or you are following the vehicle. So that really will help in terms of its sort of lane guidance, stuff like that in traffic assist. If you do not wish to use that, just push all the way and bring it back again. It's on standard cruise control. So that's how that works. Pull the lever twice, and then your travel assist is on when you start driving. And then at the moment it shows yellow, that means that function is not ready just yet. When you go green, that means that function is driving for you or steering for you. You can feel the steering assistment on that. And number 7 feature is about the cruise control again. So you have adaptive cruise control, so the vehicle will keep you on your set speed if the road is clear, everything like that. And let's assume you're setting your cruise control at 100 kilometers, you're going through the traffic, everything will be fine, so it stays on 100 if there's nothing in front of you. But if you're going around a sharp corner, let's say go very far from the left, so we are turning the steering and the vehicle will feel you are turning to a particular angle. You can feel that the vehicle will purposely slow you down around corner just to keep you extra safety, so you don't sort of roll over or anything like that. So this is a very cool feature I found on this vehicle, on pretty much all the MG actually, on adaptive cruise control. When you go around the corner, when you do when you steer to a particular degree, the vehicle will slow you down just by a tiny bit, so that it's safer going on the corner. But if you're going really hard, it's probably not recommended, obviously. Yeah, that's how the adaptive cruise control works. You can definitely feel it when you're going through sharp corners, stuff like that. Alright, so number 8 video is about quick button for your phone call. We all know that when you pick up the phone call, you can just simply press this button as long as your phone is connected, as long as the other person's ring. Another cool feature I just know recently is when you want to hang up the phone call, either you press the button over there, that's so easy, or double tap the answer the phone call button that allows you to hang up. So double tap over there. There we go, that's all hung up. So I only noticed recently, I've been selling MG for 2 years. I've thought you can only press the home button, screen over there to hang up. Actually pressing the double tap this button allows you to hang up. That's pretty nice. So I hope that will be helpful for you. Alright, so the last feature is on this sunroof. This is only available on the MG ZST Essence in New Zealand, Australia. So when you twist this dial around, you can open the glass roof, everything like that. But a lot of people didn't know that you can actually push this button over here that allows the roof to tilt open at the back, just over there, just like that. So you do get a little bit airflow, but the rainwater doesn't drop in. If you do want to close that, just drop it down, just like that. So the first half glass basically opens up for a little bit airflow. And that comes to the end of this video. I hope this is helpful. Again, if you're looking to purchase any MG from me in Auckland or New Zealand, contact me. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email address, all the contact details down below. I work for Ebbett MG. And if you're looking to, if you enjoy this video, please remember, subscribe and like the video down below. That'll be really helpful for me to grow. And yeah, see you next video.